Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying system basics, admin rights, device manager access, and current audio driver versions. Once done, physically inspect the 3.5 port and any USB audio device for lint or bent pins because mechanical faults are common. Use compressed air and a toothpick carefully to clear debris. Do not force anything. Make sure you have a spare headset to test, and that Windows or your OS isn't set to mute or wrong output. These simple steps save time later. You next tackle drivers and software because most intermittent problems are software-driven. Open Device Manager, update or uninstall the audio driver, then reboot so the OS reinstalls it. Once rebooted, run the built-in audio troubleshooter and reset sound settings to defaults. This clears misconfigured devices. Disable enhancements and change sample rates. Some headsets fail at specific rates, so test 44.1 kHz and 48 kHz. If using USB audio, you finish by isolating hardware. Test a known good headset and a USB audio adapter to determine if the built-in port is faulty. If the jack has loose pins or a broken sleeve, carefully desolder and replace the port, or choose an external DAC or USB sound card as a reliable workaround. Once repaired or substituted, verify by recording and playing back audio, checking volume levels and latency, and confirming stability. If problems persist, try another OS or a live USB to rule out software. This is your key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.